on the Savannah Everything channel. I hope you're having a nice day. I am too. So today we're going to be making a superhero named Citro. So it looks like I need a little bit of help with the torso, like the body part. I don't exactly know how to make that part. So Daddy's going to help me a little bit. So that's done. It's done. Now, there's a little fat part that I'm going to cut off. It's a little hanging down part. Need to cut the off. Alright, let's get our blue. How do I open this? Let's see. Okay, now I'm going to cut it in half. There we go. Perfect. So, I think I'm going to make the legs next. Yeah, I'm going to make the legs. So, it's really tricky to make the legs, so my dad is going to make the legs. Thank you, Father. There we go. Those are some really good legs, Father. Great job. Like, totally. Okay, now that we have that, we got lay it. We got it. Okay, sweet. Alright, now that my father has provided guidance, so now we're going to make the head. Let's roll this out. There we go. Now I'm going to make a mask. Little mask. There we go. Now, for the eyes, I'm just going to put, like, little gray dots on it. Like that. That should be good. So, yeah. And then I'll stick that on the head. Alright. Here we go. Putting my eyes on the mask. Put my eyes on the mask. Baby, be okay. There we go. Now we know to put the mask on the head. Okay, here we go. Put that mask on the head. Alright. So now I'm going to make the hair, I think. Yes, I shall make the hair. So I think I'm going to add this little gray piece in it. Like, yeah. I'm going to add this little, cut this in half. And I'm going to, like, mix some gray with blue. And that's how I'm going to make the hair. And it's going to be kind of like a mohawk. His hair, it's going to be kind of like it, but not exactly. It's called a Dewey. So, yeah. I named it myself, a Dewey. Okay, I made my Dewey. Now I shall roll up the mouth and stick it on my person. I shall stick it on my person. So now we're going to stick the head onto my character. And yeah. Alright, now we are going to make like his little logo on his shirt. We're going to make the little logo. And it will be a storm cloud. Yes. A storm cloud. Because, you know, it's like a weatherman named Storm Citro. So you got to have some weather stuff. Alrighty then. We got that attached. Okay, so now we are going to do the belt. Yeah, let's do the belt. So I'm gonna use yellow for the belt. I haven't used any other colors other than blue and gray, so I need like some other colors. And I'm gonna use this yellow for the belt. Okay, so you have to roll it out, okay? And if it's too long, cut it. If it's too short, keep rolling it. I mean, it's pretty simple. You should know this physics. So yeah, this is the possibilities. Now I just flattened it out a lot, so I put it on my person and like make it go around to the back. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the build. The build. Am I singing correctly? The build. Anyways, now we are going to make like his little buttons on the belt. So we're gonna get one in the middle. That's gonna be gray. It's gonna be a big one right in the middle. And we're gonna have two little ones on the side. So yeah, yep. There we go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you did, don't forget to give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye!